Eager to impress a girl with words and make her fall in love with you? Maybe she's your crush, your date, or your girlfriend and you want to enchant her. You're in luck, because there are some romantic expressions that you can say or text to capture her heart. If you're ready to take charge while you show off your poetic side, watch on. In this video, we'll cover how to impress a girl with words. Use these powerful phrases and she'll fall head over heels. 1. Say she comes first and she'll be proud to be on the top of your list. If a girl is going to commit, then she needs to know she's a priority. Talk about how much quality time matters to you and how you genuinely look forward to seeing her. When she knows she offers something no one else can give you, she'll feel like a prize you won't give up. 2. Confess that she captivates you and she'll feel magical. To make her feel larger than life, talk about how she gives you that spark that makes your romance feel like a total fantasy. Tease her with sweet compliments about how you wonder if she's real or if she's put a spell on you. When you say she's ravishing, she'll get the sense she's a total enchantress. 3. Admit she stops you in your tracks. She'll feel powerful and attractive. Every girl wants to feel that she has a strong effect on the guy she likes. If you let her know that you lose your mind because she's so unforgettable, she'll believe that she'll have a hold over you for good. Say that all she has to do is talk to you and you'll be in the palm of her hand. 4. Say her personality shines through and she'll feel you truly see her. When you talk about inner beauty, she'll see that you're looking for a woman with strong values. She'll also know you want to settle down with someone you respect. To show you honor her, discuss her principles, such as remembering to always stay kind or optimistic. 5. Celebrate both her mind and her looks so she feels worshipped. In order for her to feel like you're a serious partner, she'll need to know you value more than just her appearance. Bring up that you're also amazed by her intelligence and she'll be smitten. 6. Say you always find her interesting and she'll adore that she thrills you. Life partners need deep discussions to experience emotional and intellectual compatibility. If she thinks you'll always want to hear what she has to say, she'll glow knowing she's a great conversationalist. What's more, she'll get super attached to you. 7. Say she motivates and fires you up so she feels really capable. For a relationship to stand the test of time, you'll need to uplift each other. When you pinpoint healthy traits of hers that help her evolve and improve herself, she'll know you'll both root for each other. She'll also enjoy being a positive influence and the person you look up to. 8. Embrace every single part of her and she'll feel fully appreciated. Let her know she doesn't actually have imperfections. In your eyes, she's flawless. When she feels like there's nothing to hide about herself, she'll want to stay in your life and grow by your side. 9. Say you cherish her and she'll know she's a one-of-a-kind gift. Make it clear that you're invested in her and never want to give her up. Also focus on how valuable you find your relationship and how it can't be replicated. She'll sense your sincerity right away and feel like you'll always protect her. 10. Speak vulnerably and she'll know you're deeply connected to her. Let down your walls and she'll believe she can see the real you. Since a girl looks for a bond that goes beyond impressive first dates, talk straight from the heart. Your sweet and unfiltered honesty will win her over. 11. Reassure her by telling her she's unique and irreplaceable. Let her know she's always on your mind. When you express a lot of interest in a girl, you build a lasting attraction. Talk about how she's unlike anyone you've ever met. When you share how remarkable she is, you prove she'll be an ongoing part of your life and that you'll treat her right. 12. Gush about happiness and she'll know that she's your pick-me-up. True love activates euphoria, a state of extreme bliss, in the brain. If she gets the sense that she always makes you smile, then she'll feel you two are the best match possible. 13. This powerful phrase will get her dreaming of a lasting romance. First, think about what love means to you. For some inspiration, you can read up on some poetry, watch a rom-com, or make a list of your feelings for her. Then, be honest and open. Whether you're smitten by a crush or totally devoted, tell her. Your swoon-worthy words will make sure she won't get you out of her head. 14. Discuss destiny. You'll dazzle her with the possibilities in store for her. If she wants eternal love, soulmate is one of the most important words she'll ever hear. Use it when you're completely serious about her and truly believe you've found the one. When you announce you're ready to take things to the next level, you'll make her weak in the knees.